Hi, I'm Tom Booth, coffee consultant and award-winning barista, and this is the Delonghi Dedica traditional pump espresso machine. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make the perfect Americano. Americano's a longer drink, combining hot water with espresso to produce a less intense beverage. We'll take our cup, place it underneath, and simply turn on the hot water. I like to fill my cup about 2/3 of the way with hot water. Water from the machine is delivered about 90 degrees Celsius. We'll take off the drip tray, which is a very handy function, and put that to one side. Now it means that when we attach our filter holder, press the double shot button, our cup simply fits underneath, with easily enough room for even the largest cup to make your Americano. Our espresso should be delivered between 22 to 26 seconds for a double shot, or 18 to 23 seconds if you just wanted a single shot espresso. On Americano, you'll see a crema forming on top, and the espresso infusing with the hot water to make the perfect drink. So here we have the perfect Americano. It has a nice thin layer of crema across the top. The espresso is infused with the hot water. With time and practice, you might like to change, experimenting with grind size, with dose, different water quantities, and even types of water you use. Often different mineral waters can lead to very, very different tastes in your coffee. Now sit back and enjoy.